Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do tube piecing. I've made this really lovely quilt with French general fabric and a pattern that uses tube piecing. I used 2 jelly rolls, the pattern from Jelly Roll Quilts by Pam and Nikki Lintott, and a Creative Grids ruler, the quarter square triangle ruler. Links will be in the description below. And from the leftovers I made this table runner. In this video I'm going to show you how to do tube piecing with 2 narrow strips and 1 wide strip, as shown in this photo of my Christmas table runner. You're going to need 2 jelly roll strips and 1 strip of fabric 4.5 inches by 42 inches, or if you prefer the quilt version you will need 4 jelly roll strips. Start by joining the 2 jelly roll strips right sides together, sewing along the long edge, and then press them open. Lay the strips right sides together with the wider strip. Sew along both edges to make a tube. If you are using 4 jelly roll strips, when laying right sides together, nest the seams for a more accurate finish. I used the Creative Grids 4.5 inch double strip ruler when cutting the tube. Lay the seam on the line as shown on the ruler. Cut along the edges of the ruler and you will get triangles from the fabric that is under the ruler and fabric that is not. If you do not have the specialist ruler, you can use a triangular ruler as shown, or even a standard rectangle ruler, but I find this a little bit tricky. Once cut, just unpick a few of the stitches at the point of the triangle. And this is what you've made. Now you can join them together in many different ways. I have chosen this design. Lay your pieces together. Pin them at each seam, carefully nesting the seams. Then sew with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Then join together with another pair, again carefully nesting the seams. Join these together. I've twisted their orientation for interest. You could also add sashing between the 2 blocks. From those end scraps, I'm making 2 cushion covers. Thanks for watching and keep quilting. See you again soon.